Okay, now this is the second question of exercise 3.1 of chapter matrix. What the question is, if a matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible orders of it? That is the first question. Now see, elements can be described, or elements can be, number of elements can be calculated by multiplying number of rows and number of columns, and number of rows and number of columns is the order. Okay, we know this. So we just have to take the factors of 24. Let's say 1 into 24 is 24, so that can be order 1 row 24 column. We can also have 24 row and one column. That is also a possible answer. See, we can have 2 into 12 is 24, so we can have 2 rows and 12 columns. Okay, we can also have 12 rows and 2 columns, so that can be a possible order. Okay, now we can have 3 8s are 24, so we can have 3 column and 8 rows. We can also have 8 column and 3 rows. Okay, again after 8 we can also have 6 4s are 24. We can also have 4 6 are 24. So 6 rows 4 columns, or 4 rows and 6 columns, that can be order. Okay, again we can have 12 2s are we already have here 12 2s are and 2. So that's all. We have covered all the factors of 24: 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. We have covered all the factors of 24 here. None of is left. Okay, so this will be the possible orders: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 orders is possible. Okay, now the second question is, what if it has 5 elements? So factors of 5s are just 2, 1 and 5. So order may be 1 5 or 5 1. So this is the first answer and this is the second answer. So we can only have 2 possible orders: 1 5 and 5 1 if we have 5 elements. Students, just pause the video here. This is the third question. I am giving it to you for homework. Do it yourself. Okay, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? It can have what it will have 5 elements. For 5 elements we will have the same answer. The answer will be changed just for 18 elements. Okay, just pause the video and note down the question. Okay, now this is the fourth question. This is the fourth question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. It means it will have 2 row and 2 column. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so it will have 4 elements. A matrix name is A, and matrix will be like this: Aij, whose elements are given by Aij equal to I plus j square by 2. Second, Aij is A divided by j, and Aij is 1 plus 2j whole square by 2. So we will start with this first one. Okay, Aij is 2 cross 2. It means 2 rows and 2 column. So first element is A11, means first row first column. This is first row second column. This is second row first column, and this is the second row second column. So we have 4 elements. We will start with this first condition: Aij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Now we need to find this first element A11. So we can say that instead of I and j we have 1 1. Instead of I we have 1. Instead of j we have 1. So we are going to put instead of I and j 1 1. I is 1, j is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 square is what? 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the first element will be 2. Second element A12. So I is 1 and j is 2. Okay, so I is 1 and j is 2 by 2. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. So it will be 9 by 2. If I take 2 1 here, 2 1, I is 1, j is I is 2 and j is 1. 2 plus 1 is again 3. 3 square is 9 by 2. And A22 means I is 2 and j is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. So instead of A11 we will put 2. Instead of A21 we will put 9 by 2. Instead of 1 2. Instead of 2 1 we will put 9 by 2, and instead of 2 2 we will put 8. So this will be the matrix. Okay. Now I am going to solve this third. This second question is for you for homework. Aij equal to I divided by j. Okay. Aij is I plus 2j square by 2. Okay. We have to find the same elements. A11. So instead of I 1, instead of j 1, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. So it will be 9 by 2. A12. Instead of I we will put 1, and instead of j we will put 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 square is 25 by 2. 2 1. Instead of I we have 2. Instead of j we have 1. Okay. So here 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8. A22. Instead of I 2. Instead of j is also 2. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 6. 6 square is 36. 36 by 2 is 18. Okay. So we can have this matrix like this. A11 is 9 by 2. 1 2 is 25 by 2. 2 1 is 8. 2 2 is 18. That is how we can have the answers. Okay. Now that is this fifth question. Construct 3 by 4 matrix. I is half of minus 3i plus j, and here the second condition is 2i minus j. I am going to show you the first one. Now 3 cross 4 is means 3 row and 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay. So we need to find these 12 elements from 1 1 to 1 4, 2 1 to 2 4, 3 1 to 3 4. Okay. So that is the condition, half of minus 3i plus j. A11 means I is 1 and j is 1. Now we know this, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, but mode will convert it into positive. So minus 2 becomes plus 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So A12 half, I is 1 and j is 2. I is 1, j is 2. So this is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, and mode will convert it into positive. So it will become 1 by 2. A13, here 1 and here 3. Here 1 and 3. Okay. So minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So this whole part becomes 0. By the same way, 1 4. Instead of I we will put 1. Instead of j we will put 4. 1. Now minus 3 1s are minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 mode is 1. So it will be 1 by 2. Now A21. Instead of I 2, instead of j 1. Here we will put 2. Here we will put 1. 2 and 1. Now this is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. That is minus 5. Mode of minus 5 is 5. So it will become it will become 5 by 2. Not minus 5 by 2 but plus 5 by 2. Okay. That is how we can have, by the same way. See. By the same way we can have all the answers. Okay. And matrix will become this. Okay. I am not explaining you further because it is very, very simple for you to understand. Okay. So we are not wasting our time to explaining this plus and minus. Okay. Do this second condition yourself. Aij equal to 2i minus j. Okay, it is a simple method. Okay, in next video we will start with question number 6. Okay, thank you.